Hello, everyone. My name is Wojciech. Some of you may remember me from the debugging and firefighting workshop, when we scratched the surface, and I shown a little bit of our in-house build tool called XProf. XProf is basically a visual profiler based on Erlang tracing. We built it in-house because we are facing with a big Erlang system that needs to be maintained, extended, and we're obviously having performance issues as well. At the beginning, Michal started work on it, and then 4 of us involved into the project. For those of you who are not familiar with profiling, it's basically a way of instrumenting your application code and trying to narrow down what is the performance issue when it comes to memory, time, and other stuff. Here's the GitHub and HexPM, because we are on the HexPM. Project started as an Erlang only thing, but right now we are fully support Elixir as well when it comes to match specifications and also other stuff. I've got a quick demo on as a video because I don't want to mess up with the guts of the demos. Basically, after you add your dependency into Mix.ixs and start XProf application, you will be able to access the 7890 port in your browser. And then you will see the UI. In the UI, you will be able to type the match specifications as in the example. So try me module with the nub function retf2. And you will see timeline. Basically, on the left, you are seeing call time, and on the right, you will see call counts. You will be able to enable particular percentiles, medians, means, and so on. You are also able to show slower calls above certain threshold, and you will be able to expect everything like arguments, bits, and call time. As I said, we are supporting match specs, so basically we will be able to do more fancier stuff than just tracing by the module function ret-tuple, like in the example which you can see here. So you are able to basically type your own guards, and then based on that, and based on traced, pinpoint the real reason what's going wrong. Our typical behavior with how we will use XProf is basically we have monitoring in place or any other customer support. They will complain that something is going really slowly. Then we are jumping into live production system where we use XProf. We graph, we are trying to do outside in. Basically, we are starting from more general stuff and going into inner functions. We are trying comparing stuff between. That's why we build a visual tool for that. We are trying capture arguments, narrow down with match specification. We modify code, deploy new version, and that's a profit. So yeah, that's everything what I have right now. We need users, and basically, if you would be interested to talk about this or use it, feel free. We are open to pull requests, issues on GitHub, and that's it. Thank you very much.